Good day everyone. Today we will be talking about another application of percentage based and rate, which is commission. Let's read the story of the day. Mr. Mendoza sells a house and lot worth 500,000 pesos and receives a commission of 5%. How much is his commission? So in this problem, we are asked to find for the commission. But before answering, let us define the key terms. What is commission? A commission pertains to the sum of money received for the services rendered by a person who sells or buys goods on behalf of another person. The amount of commission is based on a certain percent taken from the value of the goods sold or purchased. There's also another key term here, which is net proceeds. Net proceeds is the amount that is left after the commission is deducted from the selling price. Commission is a percentage. Using the Tekans triangle, the formula for the percentage is base times the rate. Now our base is the total sales times the rate of commission. Now let's visualize and solve our story problem. Now this is our whole, which is 500,000 pesos, and 5% of it, based on the given, is the commission that will be given to the agent. Therefore, the 95% is the net proceeds that will be given to the owner. Because again, this total here is 100%. So 95 plus 5 is a total of 100%. To solve, our equation is 500,000 times 5%, which is equal to N, and in this 5% is the rate of commission to find for our commission. So let's solve. 500,000 times 5%, or in decimal number it's 0.5, since all we need to do is to remove the percent symbol and locate the decimal point, which is at the end of 5, then move 2 places to the left, so it is 0.05. Then multiply to zeros, still zeros, so you just have to write 5 zeros, and 5 times 5 is 25. Here, the next digits are 0, so no need to multiply that, because it will still be zeros here. So we'll just have to count the decimal places. We have 1, 2. So from here, 1, 2. From here, we just have to move 2 places also. So our answer here is the commission is 25,000 pesos. Another example, a total sales of 230,000 pesos has a rate of 12% commission. How much is the commission? So still the same, to find for the commission, you just have to multiply the total sales, which is our base, times the rate of commission, which is 12% for our rate. So 230 times 12%. So we have 230,000 times 0.12 for the decimal number. So we have 0.00064 0.00032. Okay, so 0.0000672. Count the decimal places, 1, 2. So from here, 1, 2, and our answer is 27,600. So the commission is 27,600 pesos. Next, Mr. Francisco, a sales agent, delivers 100 reams of bond paper worth 13,500. How much will he receive if he has 20% commission? So still the same, the equation is total sales, which is 13,500 times 20% for the rate of commission. Let us solve this. 13,500 multiplied by the decimal number of 20%, which is 0.2 or 0.20. So we multiply 0, 0, 10, carry 1, 7, 2, count the decimal places, 1. So from here, 1. And our answer here, the commission is 2,700 pesos. Another example, a salesman receives a commission of 7.5% for any sale that he makes. What will his commission be if he sold a car for 560,000 pesos? And how much is the net proceeds? So we are asked to answer the commission and the net proceeds. For our first equation, let's find first the commission. Our equation is 560,000 times 7.5%. Let's solve this. 560,000 multiplied by, let's change this percent to decimal number by removing the percent symbol and moving the decimal point, which is here, 2 places to the left. So we have 1, 2. This is the decimal point. Add 0 to the empty place value. So our decimal is 0.075, and let us multiply. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 30, this is 28. Then multiply 0, 0, 0, 0, 42, carry 4. So we have 35, 39. Then no need to multiply these other two zeros. It will still be 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10, carry 1. 10, 12, carry 1. So 4. Count the decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then our commission for the first question is 42,000 pesos. And for the second question, how much is the net proceeds? All we need to do is to subtract this 560,000 pesos. This is for letter B. Minus the 42,000 to get the net proceeds. So we have 0, 0, 0. This is 8, 1, 5. Therefore, the net proceeds is 518,000 pesos. Next, Kian receives 6% commission on each new TV set he sells. Last week, he sold a TV set at 24,999. How much is the net proceeds? Instead of multiplying 24,999 times 6% to get the commission and subtract it from the total sales to get the net proceeds, since the question is the net proceeds, what I'm gonna do is to multiply that to 94%, because again, this is the whole, this 6% is the commission, and the 94% is the net proceeds, so a total of 100%, because 24,999 is 100%, and 6% of that is for the commission, and 94% of the 24,900 is the net proceeds. So that is why you can just multiply right away 94% to 24,999 to get the net proceeds. So let's solve. We have 24,999 times 0.94, and this is the solution, and our answer is the net proceeds is 23,499.06 pesos. Last example, Willie earned 38,500 as commission from selling a house and lot. If his commission rate was 5%, what was his total sales? So the question here is the total sales. And when you say total sales, that is the base. Rate of commission is given, and also the commission is given, which is the percentage. Therefore, our formula that we're gonna use to find the total sales is for the base, which is percentage divided by the rate. And for our commission, percentage is our commission, which is 38,500, divided by the commission rate or rate of commission, which is 5%. So what we're gonna do is divide this 38,500 to 5% to get the total sales. Let's divide 38,500, and the 5% is 0.05 in decimal numbers. But again, we need to make this into a whole so that we can divide. So 1, 2, this will become 5, and our new equation is 38,500, and then add 2 more zeros. Since we move 2 moves here, we have to move 2 moves also on the dividend. So let's divide. We have here 7, 35, 35, 7, 0. So there are other 4 zeros here. You can just add that. And the answer is the total sales is 770,000 pesos.